day full of housework. So come along if you want to do some housework with me. I'm gonna take a quick break and eat my breakfast. This is the Power Crunch Pro high protein bar in salted caramel. And my favorite one is just like the regular bars. This one has like double the amount of protein, but I feel like you can taste the extra protein. It's like a little bit chalkier, but it's still decent. I'm like sweating from the housework that I'm doing. I was done washing dishes, then I found my morning coffee cup. I hate when that happens. It's like without fail, every single time, there's always something left behind. So when I wash reusable straws, I hand wash it quickly like that, and then I run it through the dishwasher, and then after that I rinse it again, just because I feel like it can get kind of gross, and then like food bits could get stuck in there. It's only 9:37. Currently working on my white laundry. It's getting washed. Folded some laundry, put them away, did the dishes, emptied the dishwasher. I would be vacuuming still, but my Dyson just ran out of juice again. The way that we keep our floors clean is I have that Dyson, obviously, and then we have a Roborock. This is actually great. This is the one that actually cleans itself too, so it has the water tank, and then it will wash the mop on its own, dry the mop and all that stuff. So all you really have to do is empty the tank. We have that running on a schedule, so that can help. It vacuums and mops, so that is great for maintenance. And then we have other tools to like spot clean and like to get the places that the Roborock doesn't go, because we have the Roborock usually running early in the morning or like really late at night. Hi honey, how'd you sleep? I slept at like 1. The baby slept until like 7 in the morning. Slept in. The camera just died, but I'm still making my iced coffee. I still have not gotten my lavender to make my lavender syrup, so it's still not gonna be a lavender latte. The Cafe Du Monde coffee. Look how dark this is. The last video I was talking about the creamer that I didn't like that much, but okay, I love Silk coffee creamers. This is so good. I think this one's supposed to stick around until January. I love the oat creamers because it actually keeps your coffee creamy. I feel like almond milk creamers always water it down. You know what other flavor I really love with this is the sweet cream one. Sweet cream latte, something like that. It's like the light purple color, but my grocery store stopped carrying it. Oh my gosh, I'm like, why is this not? I switched them. It's like a standoff right now. What? I knew it. Oh my gosh. It's sunbathing hour. Honey. Today is October 25th. That is Milo's birthday, and he is 4 today. His birthday is such a bittersweet time for me because I don't like to think about my little boy growing older. I want to make him a cupcake. So, well, a cupcake, but for puppies. I think this is like for 1 or 2 cupcakes. Milo and Olive can both eat them. The recipe is from Katrina's Kitchen, the single serving dog cupcake. I'm terrible and forgot to actually get pumpkin because I ran out. So instead of pumpkin, I'm gonna use the same recipe, but I'm gonna use sweet potato since I have sweet potatoes on hand. I went to the store recently. I did get peanut butter that he can have because it only has peanuts and salt in it. So this is safe for doggos. My recipe is gonna have sweet potato, peanut butter, oats, 1 egg, a little bit of baking powder, and I'm not putting in whipping cream because I feel like that's unnecessary. I baked these sweet potatoes 400 degrees in the toaster oven for an hour. I'm gonna mash a sweet potato so I can use that in place of the pumpkin, and hopefully everything just turns out okay. So I need 3 tablespoons of this. So I need about 3 tablespoons of this peanut butter. I am not measuring this properly, so 1, 2, 3. Olive is behind me, just licking the floors. There's nothing on the floors though. Okay, so I'm gonna mix those two together like that. Just 3 tablespoons of oats. One, two, three. An egg and baking powder. That's so easy. Okay. Half of a teaspoon. And mix that together. It's technically human grade, but since I'm not adding any sugar, it's probably gonna be really plain. That looks about right. So I wanna use the small convection oven for this. I've had these cupcake liner. I feel like my mom got this when I was younger and baked like a ridiculous amount of them, so I've been just using them. So Milo has a super sensitive stomach, which is why I prefer to bake for him. Because last time, it wasn't last birthday, it was his 2nd birthday. I got him a treat from, it was like a specialty dog treat, and it gave him explosive diarrhea. I keep my appliances back here in the morning kitchen, but yeah, I don't think I've ever showed this back part really. Hi, my birthday boy. Oh, Olive. Just like pushes him out of the way, sits right in front of him. It's his birthday. What'd you get for him? What'd you get? What'd you get for Milo? She's 2 and he's 4. While that is all baking, I have to actually bake it for how long? 20 to 25 minutes. I feel like that's a really long time for 2 cupcakes. Oh, there is a spoon in here. Maybe let me take that out. I always like to clean up as I go so I don't have to deal with a huge mess. I am gonna wash these dishes. I can't wait for him to eat it. The only thing is my husband is at work and he doesn't come home till later, so I obviously want to wait for him. Maybe I'll get some cute photos and videos first, because by the time he comes home, the lighting's gonna be all crap. She's staring at the stuff I'm sticking into the dishwasher. Leave it. Olive. This girl. I'm waiting for the cupcakes to be done baking, but it actually smells really good in here. I am gonna have another coffee, because why not? So I am an idiot, and when I went to Trader Joe's, I thought, like, I didn't even read this really, other than the fact that it says oat and maple on it. So I was like, oh, this is their version of the creamer that I showed earlier in this video. It's not, because it's an oat beverage. Why would they make it in the same container? It's like the same exact size. All my creamer containers are in the same exact size. So this is very unfortunate. I didn't even find out until I was making coffee one morning, and I had to pour in so much of that and it wasn't really making a difference. And I thought, that's when I realized, because I read the actual container, that I bought an oat beverage and not an oat creamer, which makes a huge difference with coffee. I'm just gonna froth it. Okay, that's a lot of ice, but here you go, babies. I always try to get them small pieces of ice so they don't hurt their teeth, but they love their ice. It's a ton of ice. I only did this because I was trying to give them ice. They're done. Milo is staring at me too, but this is what it looks like. Looks like a little muffin. Milo, come here. Come here. Look how cute you look. Sit. Hey, sit. So he has this birthday boy. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have brought it out yet. It's your birthday. Oh, thank you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Do you like it? Olive, you get some too. Don't worry, don't worry. I know it's not your birthday, but you get some too. Happy birthday to you. You like it? Oh my goodness, I love them so much. But they like it. I only gave him a couple bites because I'm waiting for my husband. I want him to be able to experience it with them. When he gets home, they can have the rest of it. Since I made 2 cupcakes, I'm gonna have them share the one and then I'll let them have more tomorrow. I just don't want their stomach to be upset. Just the most random haul ever. And it's all food related, except for this, for the purpose that I wanna use it. I got some organic dry rose petals, like a big old bag. I actually didn't realize how big it was gonna be because I read it was 7 ounces. Usually 7 ounces of something is way less. Like this is a 4-ounce bag of lavender. I make my lavender lattes using this, so I wanna make some rose lattes too. I love rose tea too, so I can use that for this. Also, I wanted to make my own dry shampoo. So I wanna make it with arrowroot powder, and then I'm probably gonna make the scent rose. I'm gonna do that, not today. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Milo, where are you? Where's the birthday boy? Come here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, birthday boy.